So we have been looking at simple ways in which we can establish a healthy regime. So we looked at how to establish first of all, then in another video we looked at what you can do in order to be able to establish smart health goals. And in this video, we will basically be breaking down the simplicity of how to lose weight. You know, sometimes when you listen to people talking about weight gain and weight loss, it does feel a little bit like abracadabra. Is that the way they say it? I'm not so sure. But it feels a little bit like so much jargon is used. You've got to get on a keto diet. What does a keto diet mean? You've got to get on a paleo diet, or you've got to do Atkins diet, or you've got to do intermittent fasting. There is so many different things that people talk about. But you know what it all adds up to? It's one simple thing. If you want to lose weight, if you want to gain weight, or if you want to maintain weight. And this is basically called the energy balance. What does energy balance mean? When you eat your food, everything that we eat gets broken down, particularly if you're eating carbohydrates, to be able to give you the fuel that you need to power the different mechanisms or different processes in your body, right? And so when you're having a carbohydrate, what it means is that going to be that energy that will power up the different physiological or biological mechanisms in your body. So when you want to look at the energy, it's just the same thing, simple arithmetics. Energy in, energy out, you will equals to 0 basically, and that means you will maintain weight. Energy in, when it's greater than energy out, it means you're eating more than you're expending. At the end of the day, you will gain weight because you're just bringing in something and then you're storing it and not letting it go. But energy in, less than energy out, it means that you are pumping in less energy than what your body needs for its basal metabolisms. And that means that at the end of the day, you kind of in a way are in a deficit. And because you're in a deficit, the body may start scavenging around or moving around looking for stored energy, and that will mean you start losing weight. But if you have a positive balance in your body account, definitely it will show by you beginning to gain weight. And so simple arithmetics, if you know how much you're eating in a day, maintaining that, if you want to maintain weight, will be perfect. But to lose weight, you need to do some arithmetics and change the way you eat.